Hi friends, I am Vishnu here. How are you? Hope you and your family are fine. I know due to these adverse circumstances, you are missing your valuable study days. To overcome this situation, I am here today with you with a new English class. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Before going to the class, all of you take your English notebook and a pen with you. You have to take down notes. So, today we are going to study about notice writing. Let's see what are the main features of a notice. Friends, here are the main features of a notice. The first one is there should be a heading proclaiming the subject of the notice. That means we have to start our notice writing with a heading. The heading conveys the idea of the program. The next feature is date of issue. This is the date on which this notice is publishing. This is written on the left side on the second line, bottom to the heading. The third feature is salutation and invitation. On the third line of the notice, we write salutation like dear parents, friends, etc. Then on the next line, we write what is the program. After that, we have to write the next main feature, designation of the notice issuing authority. This is written on the right side. For example, if this notice is published by English Club, we write Secretary English Club. I will show you this in template. Okay. The next feature is date, time, venue and program details if the notice is about an elaborate program. On the left side, one after another lines, we write date, time and venue of the program. I already told you that if this is an elaborate program, you have to write program details. For that, you have to give a middle heading as program details. On bottom, write prayer, welcome speech, inauguration, presidential address and so on. You can make out this from template. Okay. The last feature is if the notice is about an advertisement, the program details are not relevant. That means program details are not necessary for an advertisement. So these are all the main features of a notice. The first template is here. Here you can see a notice which shows Environment Day Celebration 2018. Here we can see the main features like heading, date, salutation, then on the next line the details of the program, then notice issuing authority, the designation, date, time, venue. Then this is an elaborate program, so I wrote program details like welcome speech, presidential address, felicitation, vote of thanks. Now I understand that you all know how to write an elaborate notice. Then we are going to study about an advertisement. So look. This is just an advertisement. So here we cannot see a program detail. So I think you got the idea how to write notice. So I am giving you 3 tasks. You have to complete these tasks as soon as possible. Hope you enjoyed my class. So we can see on another class.